A window into the manufacturing sector, the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index. Hello, in this video we'll take a closer look at what the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index is and why it matters to the financial markets. The Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index is a survey-based indicator of business conditions in the manufacturing sector in the 3rd Federal Reserve District, which includes eastern Pennsylvania, southern New Jersey, and Delaware. The index measures various aspects of the manufacturing sector, such as production, employment, and new orders, and provides a snapshot of the current state of the sector. So, why does the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index matter to the financial markets? The manufacturing sector is a crucial component of the economy as it provides jobs and drives economic growth. A strong and expanding manufacturing sector can signal a growing economy, while a weak and contracting sector can indicate economic slowdown. That's why the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index is closely watched by investors, economists, and policymakers. It provides valuable insight into the health of the manufacturing sector, which can help to predict future economic conditions. Understanding the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index is important for making informed investment decisions and navigating the financial world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Finance Minute for more videos like this, breaking down complex financial concepts into simple, easy-to-understand explanations.